How to become a FedEx driver. So basically what you're gonna have to do in order to become a FedEx driver is to simply open any browser and then simply search for become a FedEx driver and then simply click on this delivery driver jobs FedEx Express. So simply click on these and then you're gonna get redirected here. As you can see, here you're gonna see what you'll do. So you're gonna drive company vehicles, lift packages, use equipment to lift heavier packages, and interact with customers and fellow staff. Skills that they are looking for: so education, high school diploma, credentials, valid driver license for past 3 years, and ability to work in a constant state of alertness and in a safe manner. So what you're gonna have to do, as you can see, if you scroll down, you're gonna see the benefits. As you can see, starting pay up to $21 per hour. Now all you have to do is simply click on apply now, and then you're gonna get redirected to another page where you're gonna have to simply enter your location and then simply click to apply to that location. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.